Yeah.
What are you doing?
Give me the camera so you can film me.
Oh, you want me to film you?
I thought I was doing this myself. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be introducing a new segment on my channel. I don't know what I would call it yet. I mean, I've been going to hotels and stuff. And I just decided to take you on a tour, you know what I mean? We're going to be checking out expensive hotels, little cheap hotels, little in the middle hotels, you know. It's called the New Inn Hotel. And welcome to my villa.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Welcome to my villa, or our villa.
Yes, bitch, I'm here too. The fuck?
Period.
You see me?
You see her, period. So, I mean, where should we start? Look at this. So this is called the Contemporary Elegance, and all of the rooms, they have like different little themes. This was the best one, in my opinion. So, this is a queen size, king size, queen size, I think?
King
size bed.
You see it.
You see it. It's on the line, you know, little bedside countertops, your little iHome speakers.
Little mirror.
Period. Not
Too cute.
Our favorite part, the bar. It comes fully equipped. JK, we bought that shit ourselves.
Period.
But it does come with a refrigerator. A little TV. This espresso, the little whatever sink.
My champagne.
Please turn.
Let's go outside and get the sunset.
You want to go outside and take the sunset, or you want to go to the bathroom?
Sunset first, because it's leaving.
Sunset first. So when we step out here, you guys, so cute. It's so cute here. It's
Oh, here's our little fireplace.
I hope the camera is even doing justice.
It's doing it justice.
Have a little electric fireplace. We're gonna come out here. The sun setting and the view. Look at this view, y'all.
It's the view for me.
Hey,
it's the view for me.
This
We can't see it. Oh. It's the view for me.
This is the view. No, I'm kidding. But this is the view. And they said in the mornings they have hot air balloons. So it's gonna be really cute. Let's show them our favorite spot.
Fireplace.
Fireplace on that s'mores. What you thought? This is our favorite little cake. You know what this is? Did you know what this is? You want me to tell you what this is? Oh,
It's
an outdoor shower.
Period.
We're just talking about what you thought, what you heard. Okay. We're in here. Don't even, okay?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Oh, it's loud.
Just kidding.
Thought. Thought. But how cute is this, you guys? Seriously, like, it's really nice, and it's only like 6 villas. So that's a house right there. That's a that's a villa. That's a villa. This is a villa, and then those 2 are villas. There's only 6 people here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ours is the best one.
I gotta close the door.
Close the blinds?
No, not yet. Got a view.
Oh, we should have closed it. You know, it's just a little sunlight. Oh. You see my bags? My cute ass. You see my cute ass bags?
Yeah, they're so cute. Like, you see her bag right here?
Not my bags.
These are mine, but they gave us.
Whatever. But yeah, they have the little. What's these? The robes. They got 2. One for you and one for your boo. So now, it's the bathroom.
Turn the lights on.
Turn the lights. Fuck. Get out. I gotta do it over. Get out. So now.
There's only one light.
I'll figure it out later. So now, the bathroom. Let's look at this is Kaylin's favorite part.
This is my favorite
The
part.
tub, and they have, I really like that.
Well, that's my favorite part.
Is it, or is it the toilet?
It's the it's the tub for me.
It's the toilet.
But y'all, where's the toilet at? Like, if you know, comment below. If you know where the toilet is,
Where's that? Where's
just
that?
tell me. Cause where the fuck?
Cause I don't see a toilet. Oh, you thought? Look at that.
How cute.
How cute is that?
The little
And
toilet
then they have like
room.
a little 2 songs, so they want to see your goodies going on. They can just see the topic.
Yeah. Go in there.
Yeah. here. Look, you can't see it. You can't see it. You can't see it. Yeah. Cute. It's real incognito. Oh, they have like a his and hers.
Yes.
So this is Kaylin.
No.
Okay, well that's my.
This is Danny's.
Why you want that one? Why you want this one?
I don't know. I just gravitated toward this one when I first walked in, so I just feel like it's
the
mine.
natural lighting is over here.
They're cute. They give you bath salts. Wait, focus. Okay, it's not focusing. Come on, camera, get your shit together.
It's about to die, so who his last name?
Well, whatever. They give you bath salts.
So yeah, they have a his and hers or hers and hers.
Period.
Little sink.
Here's a shower.
Another indoor shower.
Beautiful.
With the, what is that called? Overhead shower head and the little thingy.
Yep.
Y'all know what to put them on.
Period.
But yeah, this is so cute. It's like a little couples getaway. What'd you say?
Wrap this shit up.
Oh yeah, so it's like a little couples getaway. Your TV, you know. So yeah, this is the new inn, hotel room, suite, villa, whatever. It was like $250 a night. You feel me? So yeah, that just about wraps it up for the video. I hope you guys enjoy my suite, but it's time to go because we're about to get some self-caring, you know, chill, get drunk.
Party and bullshit.
I know you want to be here, but you should stay here. Bye.